everybody, welcome to Designs by Dina. I'm Dina Ray and my husband Kenny is here to read comments. So hello everybody, let me know you're watching, come on in. It's Whatever Wednesday, so whatever I found in my craft closet is what I'm using tonight. So I hope you guys will join us for some crafting and some chatting and all those good things that we love to do here. So we're gonna do another floral arrangement because I'm so good at it. I just have all this stuff and I need to use it. So we're just gonna try it. So this is a little tray from the Walmart. It had 3 different sizes. So it had this one, a little smaller, like a medium, and then a small one. So I got the largest one. But anyway, I got a spindle. It's like halved, okay? We got this when I went with a friend of mine, Cindy with Beauty to Me. We went to we went junking for my first time, and it was my last time because I was scared of the snakes and the mice and all that jazz. So anyway, we had fun though, but I was a little scared. So I'm gonna use this. I've had this for over a year, probably 2 years, and I just haven't been able to find the right thing to put this on. So I'm gonna put it right here on the front of this tray. Jewels.